When it's time to replace the windows in your Scott home, it might be tempting to save a little money by turning it into a DIY project. After all, how hard could it be to fit a window into an opening and seal it up? The truth is, window replacement is a complex process that demands skill, precision, and experience. Professional installation ensures your investment pays off in comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term durability, benefits that far outweigh the upfront savings of doing it yourself. Proper fit for maximum efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of hiring professionals for window replacement in Scott is the precision of their work. Even a small misalignment during installation can lead to drafts, condensation, and air leaks. These gaps allow heated or cooled air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up your energy bills. Professional installers take exact measurements, accounting for the unique structure of your home, including wall depth, framing irregularities, and existing insulation. They ensure that every window fits perfectly, snug and secure, maximizing your window's energy-saving potential. Access to the right tools and materials. Replacing a window involves more than just placing a pane of glass into a frame. The process requires specialized tools and materials for sealing, leveling, and insulating, equipment that most homeowners don't have on hand. Professional window installers in Scott come fully equipped with everything needed for the job, from high-quality sealants and flashing materials to precision tools that ensure every window sits correctly. They also know how to choose the right type of window for your home's architecture and local climate, ensuring both performance and aesthetics align perfectly. Protection from costly mistakes. DIY window replacement often leads to errors that can be expensive to fix later. Improper sealing can allow water to infiltrate your walls, leading to rot, mold, or even structural damage. If the window isn't leveled properly, it can stick, rattle, or fail to close completely, compromising both security and comfort. Professional installers are trained to anticipate and avoid these problems. They understand how to manage potential challenges such as uneven surfaces, deteriorated framing, or hidden water damage. By relying on their expertise, you minimize risks and ensure the job is done right the first time. Warranty and peace of mind. Another major benefit of professional installation is the warranty protection it provides. Most window manufacturers require installation by certified professionals to keep the product warranty valid. If you attempt to install the windows yourself and something goes wrong, like a leak or a warped frame, your warranty could be voided. When you hire a professional window replacement company in Scott, you get not only a manufacturer's warranty but also a workmanship guarantee. This means that if there's ever a problem due to installation, it will be corrected at no additional cost, giving you complete peace of mind. Enhanced curb appeal and long-term value. Professionally installed windows don't just perform better, they look better too. Precise installation ensures clean lines, smooth finishes, and proper alignment, all of which contribute to the beauty of your home's exterior. New windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal and boost its resale value. A professional installer also helps you choose styles, materials, and finishes that complement your home's design while meeting your performance needs. Whether you want classic double-hung windows, sleek casement styles, or energy-efficient vinyl models, professionals can guide you toward the best options for Scott's local climate and architectural trends. Safety and compliance with local codes. Window replacement involves working with heavy materials, sharp tools, and high openings, all of which pose safety risks for untrained homeowners. Professional installers follow strict safety procedures to protect your property and everyone involved. They're also familiar with local building codes and energy efficiency requirements in Scott. By ensuring your installation meets all legal and safety standards, professionals protect your home from potential fines or insurance issues down the road. Final thoughts. When it comes to window replacement in Scott, professional installation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. From improving energy efficiency and protecting your investment to ensuring a flawless finish, hiring experts delivers value that lasts for years. A professional touch guarantees that your new windows perform as beautifully as they look, keeping your home comfortable, efficient, and protected through every season.